Good morning all of you. Last class we discussed the exponents laws. Using that exponents law we can find the value of the given expression. Okay. So here find the value of 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 square. We know a raised to 0, that is standard equation, we know a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So instead of 3 raised to 0 we can get as 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1. If any negative exponents come, we can convert into positive exponents using the law. Which one? A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So 4 raised to minus 1 will be equal to 1 by 4 raised to 1. 4 raised to 1 means 1 is 4 itself. Into 2 square, we know that is 4. Okay, by simplification we will get 1 plus 1 by 4 raised to 1 means 4 itself. Then how we can add these two? It will be 1 into 4. 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, 4 plus 1 divided by 4. Then into 4. That's equal to 4 plus 1. 5 by 4 into 4. This 4 and 4 we can cancel. Remains 5. So its value is 5. So in all this type of questions we want to find the value, we want to convert using standard laws. Okay, the laws of exponents. Here two laws we used. One law is a raised to 0 is equal to 1 and another law is a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Using these two laws we can find out the value as 5. So which laws we are using, that you want to write in the right side. Now here 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Okay, so 2 raised to minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 means 2 itself. Okay, into 4 raised to minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 4. Here also we can write in the sides a raised to minus m equal 1 by a raised to m. Using that law we wrote this. Okay, divided by 2 raised to minus 2 we can write it as 1 by 2 square. The same law. Now this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, it will be 1 by 8 instead of division. Otherwise one more step we can write 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. Then how we can solve this division of fractions? Okay, that we know 1 by 8 into 4 by 1, that's equal to 4 by 8, that means 1 by 2. Okay, this way we can find out the values of the given expression. Another next question, you look. The textbook exercise questions are this. So for question you look at the textbook. Otherwise this question I will write 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 3 whole raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole raised to minus 2. Okay, so here also we can use the same law, a raised to minus m we can convert into 1 by a raised to m. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 raised, it will be 1 by 2 square. Okay, 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3, it will be 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 16. Okay, so this will be equal to, otherwise we can use another method here, 2 raised to minus 2. Here one mistake happened. You look here, 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 2. How we will convert into positive exponents? It will be, its reciprocal will come. When the exponents come, its reciprocal will be, the base will be converting to reciprocal. And only this minus m will be converted to plus m. So 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 2 we can convert into 2 raised to 2. Okay, if negative power is changed to positive power, this will be 1 by 2. That means actually here it is happening this 1 by 2 raised to minus 2. One more step we can add this 1 by 2 raised to square. This way we can convert this first. So actually 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means 1 into 2 by 1. When we take its reciprocal, 1 into 2 by 1 will come to 1 by 2 by 1 square. So that will be equal to 1 into 2 square. That means 2 square itself. Okay, that theory you want to understand. That means when we convert the exponents into negative to positive, that base will be converted into its reciprocal. So 1 by 2 will be converted into reciprocal as 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. Then its power also will change as 2. Plus 1 by 3 its reciprocal we know, that is 3. Then power will be changed as plus 2. Plus 1 by 4 it will be 4. Then power will be, it's a positive. 2 square is 4 plus 9 plus 16. So it will be 29. Okay, 25 plus 4 it will be 29. Just like next question. 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 whole raised to 0. What is its value? We know any base with power 0, a raised to 0, its value we know that is 1. So if it is any number, if its power is 0, its value will be 1. So in the right side, you must write this, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Now, next another question is minus 2 by 3 whole raised to minus 2 whole square. We want to find out this value. Okay. So here it is minus or negative power. So when we convert that into positive power, we will get its reciprocal. So it will be 3 by minus 2 whole square, then whole raised to 2. That means 3 square by minus 2 square. 3 square we know 9. 9 by minus 2 into minus 2 it will be 4. Then take it square. So it will be 81. 9 square we know 81 divided by 4 square is 16. Okay. Now next question is, using this exponents law we can find out the value of an unknown. Okay. It's a very important question. Look, one question is given. Find the value of m for which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equal 5 raised to 5. 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equal 5 raised to 5. So, it is from this equation how we can find out the value of this exponent m. Okay, we know a raised to m divided by a raised to n is what? That means a raised to m minus n. So this we can convert into, with here also the same bases. Okay, bases are same. So this, instead of these two, we can write it as 5 raised to m minus, then minus 3. 5 raised to m minus 3. That is given how much? 5 raised to 5. Now you look here, both have the same base. So their powers also will be same. So this we can equate. If the bases are same, we can equate the powers. So therefore m minus 3 means m plus 3. M plus 3 is equal to 5. That means m is equal to 5 minus 3. That's equal to 2. Same way another question. Find the value of m. That type of another question is there. If the given question is this type. Minus 3 whole raised to m plus 1. Minus 3 whole raised to m plus 1 into minus 3 whole raised to 5 equal minus 3 whole raised to 7. Given this, minus 3 whole raised to m plus 1 into minus 3 whole raised to 5 equal minus 3 raised to 7. So here we know if the bases are same, their powers, here it is multiplication. Okay, their powers also will be same. Okay, powers we can equate. If the bases if the same, then we can equate the powers. Now here we are using a raised to m into a raised to n. We know that is a raised to m plus n. So how we can rearrange this? Here both bases are same. So minus 3 raised to m plus 1 into minus 3 raised to 5. We can rearrange it as minus 3 raised to m plus 1 plus 5. Okay, the sum of their powers. So that is given how much? Minus 3 raised to 7. Then we can simplify this. It will be minus 3 raised to m plus 1 plus 5 will be m plus 6. So m plus 6, that is equal to, it is given minus 3 raised to 7. Now we know if minus 3 raised to m plus 6 is equal to minus 3 raised to 7, then how we can equate the powers? We can equate, therefore m plus 6 is equal to 7 because the bases are same, that is given equal also. Then we can equate the powers. M plus 6 is equal to 7. So m equal to 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, this way we can find out the value of the unknown given in the given expression. Okay, this way another type of question is for evaluate. That's also very important. In this case, you want to convert the given numbers into a same base. 25 into t raised to minus 4 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. The question is evaluate. We want to find out the value of this expression. So in this case, we want to think one thing. Here the bases are given. One is 25. Here another is 5, 10. So the factors, when we take 25 factors, the 5 is a factor. And we take the factors of 10 also, 5 is a factor there. So we want to convert the other numbers, this other than this 5 we can convert into with the base. We can write 25 as in power form with the base 5. Okay, this 5 also we can convert into 2 into 5. Okay, then after that we can use the exponents law. Just listen, instead of 25 we can write what? 5 square. Okay, 5 square into t raised to minus 4. Then we can write now same. Then 5 raised to minus 3 into, instead of 10 we can write 2 into 10. Okay, into t raised to minus 8. Now here for simplification, we want to convert the negative exponents to positive exponents. What is the method for converting into negative to positive? We want to convert into its reciprocal. So 5 square we can write it as the same 5 square because it is positive. Now t raised to minus 4. Here it is t raised to minus 4. So when we convert it all into denominator form, it will be t raised to 4. Okay. Now these two terms we write. Now here it is my 5 minus 3. 5 raised to minus 3. So to convert this into positive exponents, we want to convert this into numerator part. So that we can write it as 5 cube. Okay. 5 minus 3. 5 raised to minus 3. You want to move to the numerator part to convert that into positive power. So these 3 terms we already wrote. Next here remains 1, 2. Okay. So that we can write it as 2 itself. Then 10, how we can write? Here one mistake happened. Okay. Instead of 10, what we want to write? 2 into 10, not 2 into 5. Okay. 2 into 5. So here remains 1, 5. So that 5 also we can write here into t raised to minus 8 here. That when we minus 8 want to convert into positive by writing in the numerator or taking its reciprocal. Now you look, here we can again simplify this. Here 5 square into 5 cube. What is it? Using exponents law we can write it as 5 raised to 2 plus 3. Okay, 5 raised to 2 plus 3 means 5 raised to 5 into. Here this also we can use t raised to 8 by t raised to 4. Okay, t raised to 8 by t raised to 4. We can write it as t raised to 8 minus 4. And here 1 5 also there. So now we can write this in 5 here and 2. Again we can using the laws of exponents. 5 raised to 5 divided by 5. Actually 5 means what? 5 raised to 1. Okay. So again we can use the laws. 5 raised to 5 minus 1 into t raised to 8 minus 4 into 1 by 2. 2 is there. So that's equal to 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4 divided by 2. Okay. So 5 raised to 4 we know. What is 5 square we know 25. So 5 raised to 4 will be 25 square. 625 t raised to 4 divided by 2. This is the value of this given expression. So in this type of question you want to convert the given number into power 4 or factorize that number with the bases given as other. Here 5 is given another number. So we can convert 25 as 5 square and 10 we can write it as 2 into 5. Then using that exponent's law we can convert that. After that we want to convert negative powers into positive powers. Then lastly we can evaluate like this. Okay. The same type other questions are there that you want to do as homework. Okay. Thank you.